Are you dreaming of longer, thicker, and healthier hair? You might believe that the secret lies in expensive shampoos or miracle oils, but the truth is far more straightforward. Healthy hair emerges from consistent daily habits designed to reduce breakage and promote natural growth. By incorporating a few simple yet effective routines into your life, you can witness a remarkable transformation in your hair's strength and vitality. Begin your journey with a calming 2-minute scalp massage. Using your fingertips, gently massage your scalp each morning. This practice improves blood circulation, establishing a fertile environment for healthy hair follicles. As you massage, envision the warmth of your hands invigorating your scalp, awakening the roots with every gentle motion, fostering the growth of luscious locks. When it comes to detangling your hair, remember to do so with care. Never tug at knots. Instead, use a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends and slowly working your way up. This method not only prevents breakage but also promotes a more manageable mane. In addition, refrain from wearing tight hairstyles, such as sleek ponytails or buns, that stress your roots. Embrace looser styles that allow your hair to breathe, reducing hair fall and damage in the process. Limiting heat styling is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your hair. Frequent curling or straightening can weaken your strands over time. Protect your hair by allowing it to air dry whenever possible and using heat tools sparingly. When spending time outdoors, safeguard your locks from harmful UV rays by wearing a hat or scarf. Your hair will thank you for the added protection against sun damage. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in hair health, so make sure you are well hydrated and consuming a balanced diet. Include protein-rich foods such as eggs, yogurt, and nuts to nourish your hair from within. Ensure you get adequate sleep each night, around 7 to 8 hours, which is essential for bodily repair and renewal, including that of your hair. Before sleep, detangle your hair gently and consider tying it in a loose braid to minimize breakage. To amplify your hair care routine, consider using a nourishing hair mask once or twice a week. Ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil can breathe life back into dull strands. Maintaining a clean scalp by washing regularly with a gentle shampoo is equally important. By adopting these simple yet impactful habits over the months, you can significantly enhance the growth and health of your hair. If you found this guide useful, please share and inspire someone else to embark on their own journey to healthier hair.